My name is Blase Martini, and I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire on a bike. First thing you need is a bike. Second thing you need is a wrench to loosen up the axle. I'll show you how to do that right now. So just take the wrench, put it on the bolt, and loosen it up. This needs to be loosened a little bit, get both sides. Now you can do it by hand. Just pull it off. Next thing you're going to need to do is get a pair of these tire remove kit. These little plastic things that make it really easy. Now that you got your wheel off, you're going to want to take the cap off of the valve stem. Take your tire remove tools, push your thumbs against the wall of the tire, pry it under the tire, and pop the bead out. Next, take the tube where the valve stem is, remove it from the tire. Check if there's a thorn in it by pumping up the valve tire. If you put the tube up to your ear and rotate the tire, you can hear if there's air coming out. Once you check your tube, the next thing you want to check is your tire and get any thorns or anything that's inside the wall of the tire. And if you get a rag, it can be helpful. You can just wipe everything out, make sure everything's good. Double check it though, because you don't want to put in your fresh tube and then instantly get a flat. After you wipe it out with a rag, check with your hands one more time. Make sure you didn't miss anything. I also like to check the outside of the tire, see if there's any thorns poking in through the tire. There's someone. There's a little thorn right there that was stabbing in the tire. If you find a thorn in your tire like I did right here, just grab some needle nose pliers to get it out. Here we go. First try. Now that you've triple checked your tire, you're going to get your fresh tube out and get this ready to install. So when I take my tube out, you gotta put a little bit of air in it to put it in the tire. Probably about 4 or 5 pumps is plenty. First thing that you gotta do when installing your fresh tube is to put the valve stem in. You're gonna have to put the top of the tube inside the tire to get your valve stem in. Once your valve stem is in, put the cap on so it doesn't slide out. Once the cap is nice and tight, put the rest of your tube in the walls of the tire just by stuffing it in like this. Once it's all stuffed in, I like to start with the stem on the bottom. My thumbs just push over and just pop the bead into place. And for the last part, this is the hardest part, but it should be fine. Now that the wall and beads are set, should be good to go to pump it up. So remove the cap. And pump it up to your preferred pressure. Put the cap back on at the end. Make sure it's all pumped up. Put your wheel back through the axle. Hand tighten. Then grab your wrench. Get it nice and tight. Now you're good to go. Now that you've got both tires put to the correct PSI, put on your helmet and go test it out.